What if your crypto, Visa card, and international payments could all be managed from one platform? Sounds convenient, right? But before you sign up, there are a few important things you should know. What exactly is PokePay? How do you create an account? How does KYC work? And what can you actually do with the PokePay Visa card? In this video, I'll take you through PokePay step by step, from registration to KYC to its key features. So, let's get started. Let's start with the most basic question. What exactly is PokePay? PokePay is a global payment platform that brings several payment services together, including Visa card services, crypto payments, multi-currency accounts, and international payment solutions. You can access a virtual Visa card, and depending on availability and eligibility, a physical Visa card may also be available. For crypto users, PokePay supports digital assets such as USDT, USDC, BTC, and ETH. And if you deal with different currencies, PokePay also provides multi-currency features. These include supported currencies, such as USD, EUR, and GBP. So whether you're a crypto user, an international shopper, a freelancer, a traveler, or someone who regularly makes cross-border payments, there are several features you can explore in one platform. Now, let's see how easy it is to get started. Creating your PokePay account is pretty straightforward. First, click the PokePay registration link in the description below. Enter your email address and continue. You'll receive a one-time password or OTP directly in your email inbox. Enter that OTP to verify your email. Once your email is verified, your PokePay account will be created. Now simply log in, and you're ready to explore the platform. That's it. Your PokePay journey starts right here. Now comes an important step: KYC verification. KYC verification may be required before you can access certain features. According to the current process, you need to have a balance of more than $5 to start KYC verification. Once you're eligible, go to your profile or verification section. Upload a valid identity document, such as your Aadhaar card, passport, or driving license, depending on the documents accepted for your account. Next, complete the selfie verification. Once your documents are reviewed and approved, your KYC verification will be completed. Now let's get to one of the features most people are interested in: the PokePay Visa card. With the virtual Visa card, you can make supported online purchases, subscriptions, and other digital payments. And depending on availability and eligibility, you may also be able to get a physical Visa card. So, are you ready to explore PokePay? If you want to get started, you can find the PokePay registration link in the description below. And if you want a complete step-by-step tutorial on PokePay KYC, Visa card activation, adding funds, or making an online payment, let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PokePay tutorial. Thanks for watching.